What is good, y'all? I'm back with another video. So CJ, so cool, had the kids with him. And baby Daya kept coughing. She was coughing at the restaurant while they was eating. His brother was also there, and Mabel and her son. And it seemed like CJ is not giving Daya any attention. She kept coughing in the background. Like, his parenting skills is really horrible. And I wish that Royalty could get full custody of her kids, even though it's through court order. And there's nothing that she could do about it because they have to had to split 50-50 custody of the kids. But this man is up here filming the hotel room, and this baby girl still coughing in the background. This is so disturbing. Like, he knows that this baby need her asthma pump, and she keep coughing up the storm. But I'm gonna let y'all hear in this video at the restaurant that she was coughing.
Hold up, Brody. Hold up, Cody. May May. Yeah, man. Eat that broccolini, Daya. Eat that broccolini, girl. You want some steak, CJ? Oh, yeah. Look at that. Ooh, CJ, we got resort world rice. We got resort world rice now, boy. Is that rice spicy, dog? My man. You do like this broccolini. That's resort world broccolini.
Please like and subscribe to my channel every time I drop a video. Thanks, guys.